Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, that's Laura, and this is Eli, and this is a new series I'm starting called Eli's eG'sPair because I'm actually a gourmet cook, and I didn't tell anybody that yet, but I want to show you how to cook stuff, and I was going to do an omelet, which I had for lunch, but I'm not a vegetarian, and I don't think people need to be vegetarians, but I do respect you if you want to be a vegetarian. That's fine. So if I use some ingredient you don't like, you can replace it with something. Anyway, garlic. The most important thing about garlic when you cut garlic is to cut it really, really, really paper thin. When you're cooking it, it melts in the oil, and you could chop it more finely, but I kind of like this. There's some chopped onions, which was left over, and this is a beautiful avocado. It's like perfect. And the important thing is you cut around the seeds. You peel the avocado, then take out the seed bulb, and then you cut it in as big of pieces as you can, because you don't want to squish the avocado. You want to chop it, and finally, after all the ingredients are mixed together, you can kind of squish it. But you want to keep, I don't know what the word is in English. In Japanese, it's a shokan, the flavor of, the texture in your mouth. So now, how do you get the thing off of this pit? What's left is you can use your fingers, or what I like to do is to just put the whole thing in your mouth, and then you just spit out whatever you got. I was just kidding. You don't want to do that. You can like squeeze it out with your fingers, and then you put it in a bowl, and you one more ingredient. Tomatoes going to go in last. You get some nice tomatoes there, but is a daimu, which is Japanese for lime. Not lemon, lime. So there's avocado. This is perfectly ripe. And if it's overripe, that's okay, especially for guacamole. Garlic, onions, lime, and I can't get cilantro. If anybody can please get me cilantro seeds or cilantro, I need cilantro. You have to have cilantro. And then you don't want to use regular salt. You don't want to use this enriched or iodized, I think it's called. You don't want to use that. What you want to use is this kind of salt. It's often referred to as sea salt or rock salt, but this is 500-degree centigrade baked salt. What does it say? Roast salt. Roasted salt, or this one is... Ria, what does it say? Okiyome shio. What does that mean? Blessed by the gods? I don't know. If anybody knows what that means, you can. It probably has the same meaning as God. And that's how you make guacamole. Come back for another exciting, much better example of experiments with Eli. Thank you. Bye. What's up, people?